Hi and welcome to another video. Today I'm a little bit nervous because I'm actually doing my first unboxing and I'm also doing it in English, so bear with me. So why don't we just get started? I have this little parcel here and right now it's wrapped in DHL's yellow plastic bag. So why don't we just get it out of there? Okay, we have a little box in here. It's actually a little thing from DJI, the company that's makes drones. So just see. Now, I can tell you, you probably already know from the thumbnail. Whoa, it's another little box in here. That's the one, the DJI Osmo Pocket. And the wireless module, the adapter for the microphone, and an spare SD card. And that's just my information, so let's put that aside. Just have a look at this one. Is it? All that plastic, why? And a little box. Okay. Start guide, and we have our safety guidelines. We'll probably say that you shouldn't be eating it or swallowing it or do anything about the battery and all that stuff, but the start guide would probably be handy if I can't figure out how to use it. All right. So let's see what's in the next little box. If I can open it. All right. We have, what is it? Oh, that's the two connectors. One for lightning, so you can plug it into your phone, and one for Android. That's the USB-C and the lightning. I'll be using that later. And a little strap for your wrist, and a charging cable, and that's USB-C as well. So I'm very excited about this one here. So let's see. It's already in its case, as you can see, and it's hot. Oh, it sure is tiny. Just take a look at that. A camera and a gimbal in such a small form factor. That's incredible. And it's light, but it's not as light as I probably thought it would be. It's really, really tiny. This is for the micro SD card, and that's the port for the charging, and that's a microphone and another microphone up here, and two buttons, start and record, I think, and something else. Just let us see. And that's the display. And another one. Look at that tiny camera. Oh, all right. See if we can fire it up. If it works. Whoa, look at that. Oh, I have to find out which language I want. English, France, something else, Dutch. I think I just put it in English. It's probably best. Device not activated. Okay, I probably have to put my phone in and do all the activation, and I'll get back to you then. All right, I got it activated, and you can actually use this little display to control everything, so you don't have to have your phone plugged in. So this little adapter here doesn't have to be on the device all the time. You can just take it away and put the cover on it, if I can find the cover. All right, where did I put the cover? Oh, here it is. You can put this little cover on, and then you don't have the connection open. But it's pretty neat that you can just plug in, and then the Mimo app tells you what to do, how to activate it, and that's about it. I think I will use this quite a lot, and I definitely need to get used to where all the things in the menu are and how to change them fast. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next couple of days, trying to just get familiar with the little thing. It's really cute, isn't it? I think so. It's just like a little head up here and a body. I think it's cute, and I'm sure this is going to be with me everywhere because it's just so tiny. Just take a look at that. Put it in this little box, and that's it. It's all protected in this tiny little box. And with the handle on, nothing's going to be lost. All right, I better clean up here because I made a mess here on the table. But thank you very much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so. And you can also give this video a thumbs up. So thank you very much, and have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.